Hello friends, welcome to this video of regular expression. In this video we will learn about what is regular expression and we will solve some example in order to understand it. So basically regular expression is a sequence of pattern that defines a string, or we can say that the language accepted by finite state automata can be easily described by simple expression called regular expression. Here we have two types of operations, positive closure and clean closure. Here positive closure shows that any string should have at least one member, say x, then again double x and so on. And for clean closure, the minimum string is null, that is epsilon e, and after that similarly like positive closure x, double x, triple x and so on. So let us understand it. Let us take a regular expression 0 plus 1 plus 2 into 3. So how we can make its pictorial representation? So for creating its pictorial representation we should have basic knowledge of how we split plus and dot operators. So here you can see that for plus operators we have two states and each state having a and b as their input, and for a dot b we will consume each and every string element one by one. Like first we have consumed a and reached q1, and after that we have consumed b and we have reached at q2. So using this knowledge we will create its NFA, that is non-deterministic finite automata. So let's start. As here we can see that 0 plus 1 plus 2 comma 3, that is 0 plus 1. For 0 plus 1 we can consider it as a plus b. So q0 to q1, 0 and 1. After that we have 2 and 3. We can assume it a dot b, and when we assume it 2 dot 3 we can use this formula q0 to q1 and q2. So here we will introduce a new state q2 between q1 and q3. So you can see here after consuming 0 and 1 we have reached to q1, and after that we have consumed 2 in order to reach q2, and after that we have consumed 3 in order to reach q3. So this is NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. Why we say it non-deterministic? Because we don't have a final state in this automata. So let us consider some more examples. So as we can see in the second definition of regular expression, that language accepted by finite state automata can be easily described by simple expression called regular expression. So that means each and every regular expression have a language, and each and every language has its regular expression. So these are vice versa. So let us create a regular expression for it. So here you can see the question is that create an regular expression for language L accepting all combination of A. So the language should be all combination, that is it should also contain null, that is epsilon E, and A, double A, and triple A and so on, all combination of A. So how can we represent it? We can represent it A raised to star, that is clean closure, because we have seen its formula that it contains null value also in comparison to positive closure. So here R is equal to A star is its regular expression, and we can make its pictorial representation, that is NFA. We have same initial and final state because we have to also give it null value. If it do not have any value, as input, so it is also its final state. So our NFA is this for this question. I hope you will get it, friends. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will make some more videos so for including more examples so that you can get it better. Okay friends, thank you for watching the video. Bye. Please like, subscribe and comment.